Milltronics CNC vertical mill with a tool changer, model RH20, serial number 7148, new in 2002. It's original paint. We're going to run it for you. It's got a CENTURION 6 control. Right now we're running at what RPM? 1500 RPM. Nice quiet spindle, Cat 40. Machine has ball screws and AC motors for each axis. YASKAWA spindle drive. 20 ATC. You have 40 inches in the X travel, 20 in the Y, 20 in the Z, and a 54 by 16 inch table. We're going to simulate a tool change. All right. Oh, a nice little ditty on this machine is it runs with 220 single phase, so you can put it in your garage. All right. Running the Z, that's your X. And your Y. All right, you saw all the axes run, you saw a simulated tool change, you heard the spindle run. Again, this machine is original paint and it's on our floor. Thanks for watching our video.